Fancy a trip to Spain without leaving your kitchen? Well, you're in luck because today we're bringing the vibrant flavors of Spain right to your home. We're diving into the world of tapas, those awesome little dishes that make Spanish food so much fun. Tapas are more than just food, they're a way of life, a social experience. And guess what we're cooking today? Patatas Bravas. These spicy, crispy potatoes are a staple in Spanish cuisine. These aren't your ordinary potatoes, my friends. We're talking about a dish that transforms simple spuds into something extraordinary. Imagine crispy golden bites exploding with flavor. That's Patatas Bravas. Each bite is a perfect blend of crunch and spice. They're super popular all over Spain, and once you try them, you'll know why. From street vendors to high-end restaurants, everyone loves them. Get ready for a taste explosion that will have you saying, "Ole," it's like a fiesta in your mouth. This recipe is easier than you think, and I'm here to guide you every step of the way. We'll break it down into simple steps so you can follow along. So grab your apron, crank up the music, and let's get cooking. It's time to bring a little bit of Spain into your kitchen. Before we start cooking, let's round up our ingredients. Don't worry, we're keeping it simple and delicious. For the potatoes, about 4 medium-sized ones, olive oil, the good stuff. Salt and pepper to taste. For the Bravas sauce, olive oil, again, the good stuff. Garlic, a couple of cloves, smoked paprika, this is our secret weapon. Tomato paste, just a spoonful, water, salt, and pepper to taste. See? Simple ingredients for a flavor explosion. Now that we've got our ingredients lined up like good soldiers, let's get cooking. First things first, let's give those potatoes a little makeover. We want to start with fresh, firm potatoes. Make sure they are clean and free of any blemishes. Peel them and chop them into bite-sized chunks. Try to keep the pieces uniform so they cook evenly. Remember, we want them crispy on the outside and fluffy on the inside. This balance is key to the perfect potato. Now heat up your olive oil in a large pan. Use a generous amount to ensure all the potatoes get a nice coating. We want it nice and hot, ready to give those potatoes a sizzling welcome. The oil should be shimmering but not smoking. Carefully add the potatoes to the hot oil. Be cautious to avoid any splatters. Listen to that sizzle. That's the sound of deliciousness in the making. The sizzle means the oil is at the perfect temperature. Fry the potatoes until they turn a beautiful golden brown. This should take about 10-15 minutes depending on the size of your chunks. This is where patience comes in handy, my friends. Don't rush this step. Let them cook thoroughly. We want them cooked through and crispy. Stir occasionally to ensure even cooking. Once they're looking gorgeous, scoop them out and let them rest on some paper towels. This will help them stay crispy. This will help soak up any excess oil. And there you have it, perfectly prepared potatoes ready to be enjoyed. Section 4, Bravas sauce, the flavor explosion. Get ready to embark on a culinary journey that will tantalize your taste buds. Now, for the star of the show, the Bravas sauce. This sauce is the heart and soul of Patatas Bravas, a dish that's beloved for its bold and vibrant flavors. This sauce is what makes Patatas Bravas so special, so pay attention. Every step is crucial to achieving that perfect balance of flavors. In a separate pan, heat up a little more olive oil. The quality of the olive oil can make a big difference, so choose a good one. Add the chopped garlic and cook it until it's fragrant. The aroma of garlic cooking in olive oil is simply irresistible. Now sprinkle in that smoked paprika. This spice is essential for that deep, smoky flavor that defines Bravas sauce. This is what gives the sauce its amazing smoky flavor. Make sure to stir it well so the paprika is evenly distributed. Stir in the tomato paste and let it cook for a minute or two. This will add a rich, tangy base to the sauce. Then, add a splash of water to thin out the sauce. Adjust the consistency to your liking. Season it with salt and pepper to taste. Don't be afraid to taste and adjust the seasoning as needed. We want it to be bursting with flavor. Every bite should be a delightful explosion of taste. Let the sauce simmer for a few minutes so all those lovely flavors can get to know each other. This step is crucial for developing depth in the sauce. And there you have it, the most amazing Bravas sauce you'll ever taste. Perfect for drizzling over crispy potatoes or using as a dip. Section 5, assembling your tapas masterpiece. Now comes the fun part, assembling our Patatas Bravas. Arrange the crispy potatoes on a plate. Drizzle that incredible Bravas sauce all over them. And for the final touch, add a dollop of aioli. Aioli is a creamy garlic mayonnaise that takes this dish to a whole new level. And there you have it, a plate of Patatas Bravas that would make any Spaniard proud. The crispy potatoes, the smoky spicy sauce, the creamy aioli, it's a match made in tapas heaven. Section 6, Bravas. your gateway to Spain. So there you have it, my friends. Patatas Bravas made easy. This recipe is your passport to the exciting world of Spanish cuisine. Don't be afraid to experiment with the flavors. Add a pinch of chili flakes for extra heat, or sprinkle in some fresh parsley for a touch of green. Cooking is all about having fun and trying new things. So what are you waiting for? Get those potatoes frying, whip up that amazing Bravas sauce, and impress your friends and family with your culinary skills. And most importantly, enjoy every single bite. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any new culinary inspirations.